Project configuration can be a little bit tricky, so follow along with me to see what it will look like. We just want to make sure that we can actually read a file and then print it out. So you're going to start from the starter code, which is in this link. And you can just go ahead and copy everything in here except the title. And then we're going to create a new class called example and paste the starter code in there. Okay, great. And you probably just want to run this to make sure that it works. So right now what it's doing is it's going to try and read a file called example.txt, which doesn't exist. So it should say there was a problem reading the example.txt. But then we're going to write to a file called out.txt, and we're going to write this. And there you see out.txt has appeared, and it's got the contents that we want. Okay, so that part works. Next, you need to download all of the text files. So go ahead and click here to open the drive. You can download all of these files by clicking the down arrow and saying download. And it will zip them all in a single zip file. Don't try and run anything. Don't try and open anything. Instead, go to your downloads folder and find this zip file in your downloads folder. Here's my downloads folder. You'll find the zip file. It should have a little icon with a zipper on it. You need to extract this. If you're on a Mac, I'm not sure if they use the word extract, but unzip, extract, decompress, they all mean the same thing. You should find some way to do that. You can just extract it to any directory you want. And then go into the directory and find all the words and select all of them. And then you want to drag them into your actual project. So here's my project. You see the IDE. Here are all the files. I'm just going to drag them straight over here. Oh, doesn't like that. Okay, never mind. Don't do that. Okay, don't drag them. Instead, copy them. And then click in File IO up here, and then paste them. And it's saying, do you want to copy them all? And the answer is yes. If it's worked, you should see all of the files here in the same place as your out.txt. To test if it's worked, we want to look at words.txt, which is a dictionary file, which has one dictionary word per line. So instead of example.txt, we'll say words.txt is the name of the file we want to read. And then we'll system.out.println the file contents. So let's run it and make sure it works, and we should see the contents of the file here on the console, which we do. Wonderful.